guys, it's Atul here. Welcome to Codesickness. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn about a program in which we print numbers from 1 to 100 but without using any numbers in the entire code. Now this will be an interesting concept. So what I would like you to do is just pause this video if you want to try this by yourself. I'll wait for a while. Now if you're ready, then let's begin. So first of all, we will need a variable, any variable, which will store a number value without writing a number value. What we are going to do here is just use odd function, which finds out the ASCII character value of any character that you give it. So let's just write it. We have num, and now we assign it the value. What is the value that we assign it? An odd value. Odd is a function. It will convert any character values, ASCII value, and give that value to num. So let's begin. So now I'm just giving this e. Why e, you may ask? Well, its ASCII value is 101 and it will be very helpful when we do the for loop. So let's just continue. So here we have for loop, right? And the for syntax is for I in range. What is the range that we give it? Simple. We just use this number and give it a range. What is the range, you may ask? Well, it starts from 1 and goes till 101, right? Why 101, you say? Because in range the syntax only accepts values before the last range value, that is the right hand range value. Got it? Alright, let's just write it num by num. Yeah, that's what we use for 1 and num. So that's 101. Now we just continue. So what do? We just print the values. What are the values? The I, yeah, because if you did not know, I is the iterator here, and the value of I keeps updating for every loop that the for loop, basically for every instance the for loop runs. So every time it will increment the value and start executing all the code that is inside the for loop. So for I in range, this value, so it will start from this value and this will end at this value. So if we divide any number by itself, it will be 1. That's why the range starting is 1, and the second value, it's the last value, and the loop will run just before this number, that is num minus 1. Till num minus 1 it will run. That's why we have taken e, which has an ASCII value of 101. Alright, let's just run it. It seems to be showing some problem here. What is the problem? It says float value cannot be interpreted as an integer. Let's just see. Oh, we can just use an int value here then. Int is a function which will convert any float value to integer. That is, it explicitly converts this value. So let's just try to run it again. And here we are. Voila. We have all the values here. It will print them from 1 to 100. Also, if you want, I can just print this value. What value you say? This odd value. So let me just print it. Print num. Right, here we are. So just print num, and now it will print all those values as well as the value of e, that is 101. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much.